longest syllable in all the data that we have. When we put all the songs into MATLAB, it gave us this. Now, in terms of longest syllable, this is the eastern region, this is the western region, this is like the middle. You can see that there's more songs in the east have more long syllables than the songs in the west. Long syllables is like how the bird sings one syllable, how long the syllable is. Maybe it's like this or it's like this. That's how you quantify it. In terms of frequency range, the birds, the chicken sparrows, and this is just what chicken sparrows have. The chicken sparrows in the east have a higher frequency than the chicken sparrows in the west. That's not right. So we also look at the syllable length of the songs. This is like this is the country. This is the United States right now. This is Florida right here, New York here, California. So we have the map, and then we look at the syllable length, and then we can see that the really red spots indicate longest syllables, and the really not so red indicate short syllables. So yeah, again we see that the chicken sparrows in the east, in terms of their syllable, it's longer than the ones in the east, than the ones in the west. Same thing when we look at frequency. I mean, you can it's fairly similar, but then again you see around like the dots here at the end, which one will probably say the birds in the east have more frequency than the birds in the west. So the conclusion we came up with is that according to the results from our different variables in terms of drought, the duration of all these things, that we can say that there seems to be a fast song being sung in the east by chicken sparrows. We're not done by all. We're still doing more research. We're still writing more programs with MATLAB and finding more quantitative data for us. So the chicken sparrows in the east tend to have a lot of notes and long syllables. For more research, let's read that first. Now, these are my references. Most of them are from One Chin. He's in the lab of lab. He's in my lab. He writes. He's a postdoc. I'd like to thank my mentor Nicole, One Chin, London lab, where we get our songs after STAT, HCS, and the others. Yeah, hurry up.
Please stand up and ask the question.